Well, originally I decided about 3 years ago that I needed to be involved somehow for a greater cause. I first got involved just by volunteering and being part of the International Student Alliance, and it really grew on me. And when I see what difference the Cultural Diversity Board makes on campus, that's when it really got to me, and I was like, I need to be involved. We kind of shifted the vision towards where we can be a campus where we unite people and that everybody can be united, and that's why we kind of changed the name from MavFest to Unity Fest, because it just has such a greater or bigger significance to it. So the preparation this week has been a kind of just fitting every piece together, and so it was absolutely about making sure that each individual alliance, each other organization that's collaborating with us, making sure that they were on board and making sure that they understood and that they also did what they needed to do. So there's just so many factors that's been playing into this, and this is months and months of the Cultural Diversity Board standing together and planning this. I think it's important just to be able to say that, hey, we are all CMU students, we are Mavs, and that's the most important thing, and that's why it's so important to have such thing as Unity Fest.